One of my goals this year is to stop my hair from excess shedding. Yes. You know, in my recent videos, I emphasize more on how my hair breaks a lot and why breastfeeding my baby, and it continues being like that for a long time. So I neglected my hair. So I feel that it will come back on its own, but the hair refused. So I have to do what I am supposed to do by adding things that I have stopped using for a very long time in my hair routine. So in today's video, we will be making a herbal hair shampoo using black seed, fenugreek seed, rosemary, and other interesting ingredients. I'll be listing everything out here. So what I did is to infuse it. After infusing those black seed and fenugreek seed overnight, I did it overnight, then blend it. Initially I wanted to use only the water, but I found out that the shampoo will be too watery, so I don't want that. So what I did is to get the whole ingredient out of it by blending it. So I blended everything. After blending it, extract the paste. Like I said, I only wanted to use the water that I extracted, but I found out that it will be watery after adding it to the shampoo. So I said to myself, why not just get the paste and you will get the whole benefit, you know. So that is what I did. So here I measured out about 250 grams of shampoo, curly hair shampoo, add a little paste of it, about 50 grams of it. Then I was adding it a little bit to see how it will react. Then I started mixing it. I mix it thoroughly. I mix it very well. So at this stage I said, okay, let me add the remaining one. I'm just using my brain, you know, to do everything. So here I'm adding the remaining batch of the paste, so to mix them together. As you can see here, the shampoo is already watery a little bit than it is. So after mixing it, what I did next is to pour it in my storage bottle for use. The herbal shampoo that I'll be uploading here on my channel will be 100% natural. I won't be adding any already made shampoo. Everything that I will use on that shampoo will be pure natural. So I have done it in years back when I started my hair journey. In fact, when I was so intentional on my hair, when I have all the time on earth, I was single then. I haven't given birth, so I have all the time to do anything that I want on my hair. So but now to even make a video while washing my hair, I find it hard. So most of the time that I do wash my hair and I don't video it, I do it off camera. If you go through my channel, you will find out that I did not make any video or upload any video where I am combing my hair and my hair is shedding. As in those, you know, I complain about how my hair is shedding a lot. You won't find any video that I made about it. Not that I don't want to, but the time is, sometimes I don't have all that time to start arranging my camera or phone to make a video. So I will be in a haste to do this fast so that I'll be able to do other things, you know, house chores and taking care of kids and also work as well. I know that some will love to see a video like that. They know that it's a saying that says that seeing is believing. Okay, I'll be ending it here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so now. Subscribe, like, and share it out. Thank you and God bless.